So, in this video we're gonna check if Oukitel OKT1 has a stereo speaker. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this tablet, and the first one is right here and the second one is right here. So that means it has two speakers. So now let's try playing some music, and to determine whether it has mono or stereo speaker, we're gonna cover each of them and see if the sound is coming from both of them. If it comes from both sources, that means it has stereo speaker, and if it comes from only one, that means it has mono speaker. So now let's try playing some music. So clearly sound is coming from both of the sources, so that means this tablet has a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.